Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 9T, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this XIAOMI. Firstly, open settings and scroll down. Now choose apps over here, click on permissions and permissions again. From here you need to select one of the options like location and pick one of your apps. I will go with Facebook. Now choose one of the available options, allow all the time, allow only while using the app, or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so when I go back I can see that Facebook gained access to my device location. You can deny it by clicking on the same app and choosing deny, but you can manage all permissions by clicking see all Facebook permissions over here and manage them. Like that. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!